going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I'm going to show you a way that you can put some free crypto in your pocket. All right, and using this website is completely free to sign up with. You see right here, I have 51 Satoshi. That's basically their currency that they're going to use. But like I said, they're going to pay you in different crypto, and I'll show you that kind of towards the end of the video. But how you make money with this is basically through ads and offers. All right, they have the faucet. We can check that out too, but first, I'm gonna click on view ads. You see here they have 4 different tabs you can use. The first one, I'm gonna click on this one, is a surf ads. You're basically just going to just let the ads run, show you how much money you can make with it. So basically right this, you click on this one, you can get 10.8 Satoshi. You're viewing it for a minute, and you can kind of scroll down and see the ones that they have. You can just keep on scrolling, and you see here they had pages of them. Let's see how many pages they have. I think they have 5 pages. So if I go to the 5th page, you're still earning on that. So there's a lot in the surf ads tab. If I go to the next one, the window ads, I'll show you how this one works. So basically this one is kind of the same thing. You would view this one, non-Satoshi for 60 seconds, 7.4. They got, I think, 2 pages of that. So just another way to earn them. I mean, you're just completely free. Just all you're doing is looking at the ads. You're not forced to buy anything, just looking at them. I mean, you can do that. I mean, that's very easy. Just looking at something and get paid to do it. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. They have the article ads that you can go to. This one's basically just reading an article for 15 seconds, 7.9. Read it 15 second, 5.5. You know what I'm saying? This doesn't have, there's only 1 page of these, but just still another way to earn. All right. So then I go to the video ads. I think this is kind of like with YouTube videos that you have. Yeah. So basically what you do is you will view two videos, basically what it is, and then you'll earn from those videos. All right. So basically, let me see. If I click on the guide here, yes, basically you can only watch 2 among 9. When the videos are watched, all videos will disappear. You're going to earn from them. Now, I think as far as how much you earn from those, I'm not really sure. But I think when I did it last time, I think it was about, I want to say 15 Satoshi. But, don't hold me to that. But I think that's what it was. But like I said, they had these ads every day. They're going to reload, give you more the next day. So just keep on, just watching the ads and making money with it. All right. So the offers, just like a lot of these get paid to sites, they have offers on here that you can use. They have AdGate Media, offer Turo, AdSend, Time Wall. I mean, just the typical things you will see on any get paid to site. They have that here. But like I said, with this one, you're getting paid in crypto. So you also have survey sections. I don't know why this one is locked. I'm not really sure on that, but this is just another way for you to make money with it. Go to the faucet to see what this is about. So I believe with the faucet, I know with faucets or sites in the past when they have faucets, you can basically invest into it. So if you want to invest, I guess you can. But it's just basically, you're basically kind of investing in this, you're staking your money, and you're just earning, kind of per day on that. But that's something you don't have to do. Like, this is a completely free website, so you can view the ads and you can do the offers if you want. You can get involved with the faucet, but if you want to just keep it free, viewing the ads and doing the offers, that's all you have to do. And you make money with it. So now let me show you how you can actually get rewarded with this. So let me go back to the dashboard and go down to more. What was on in there? Let me go to, withdraw right here. That's how you would do it. To show you the different ways that you can actually cash out. So basically what you'll do is you will choose a withdrawal method. They have Bitcoin, but if you click on it, they will show you lots of different coins that you can cash out in. I will tell you, Bitcoin is the highest as far as payment goes. It's going to take you to the most to get the Bitcoin. So, like, let's say, for instance, right here, it says you need 11,000 Satoshis in order to cash out with Bitcoin, right? But if you choose the other ones, like let's say, for instance, I like USDT, so let's do Tether. All I need here is 25,000 Satoshi in order to cash out. Now, I will tell you, doing the math on it, 100 Satoshi is equivalent to 1 cent. So basically with 25 Satashis, I hope I'm saying that right, that's basically 25 cents that you need in order to cash out. And I believe that's with other ones too. That's just USDT. Let's try Dogecoin. You need 2,000 with that. That's even lower. It's just 20 cents. But the thing is, you can just kind of play around with it. Tron, that's another one I like. Right there, that's 25 cents as well. And do keep in mind they do have a transaction fee, just depending on which one you choose. So just make sure you're aware of that, and you confirm it, and then you'll get paid. That's simple. So, I mean, really cool way to get paid just in crypto. It's free to use. I believe the link to it in the description. You can sign up with it and just basically view ads and do offers. That's basically how you can make money with it the free way. And if you want to invest in it, you can do the faucet and just kind of stake your money and make money with that as well. But overall, I think it's a really cool site to use, easy to navigate, easy to make some free money. So that's why I'm going to definitely add it to my portfolio, and I'm going to be using it every day and continue to show you guys updates of me making money with it. All right. So if you want to get started with it, the link to it is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.